Welcome to Expert Insights on Buildings Canada. We're doing live interviews on the show floor at the Building Show here in Toronto. And with me I have Brian Watkinson. He just finished doing a session on the emergence of lean construction here in Canada. Thank you so much for being here, Brian.
My pleasure.
So my first question for you is, what is lean construction and how is it used in construction project delivery?
I could be cute and say it depends who you ask. We all know, I think, that lean originated in manufacturing at Toyota decades ago. And the trick in lean construction now is to take the principles that were established at Toyota and figure out how to apply those into the design and construction sector. So that ranges anywhere from applying lean principles during the actual construction process, and that's kind of where it all started to happen, pushing it back into the design and even pre-design process, and now moving more to a team approach on a project and setting up an integrated project team that applies lean principles collaboratively together.
Interesting. And so what are the main principles then behind lean construction, just to give a brief overview?
A very brief overview is we're looking to eliminate waste in the process, and believe me, there's a lot of waste in the design and construction process. Some of the studies have shown like 54% of the resources we invest into construction is wasted through rework and wasted effort. So we eliminate waste, drive it down as much as we can. We're trying to drive efficiencies. And ultimately, the goal is to deliver greater value to everybody on a project team, starting with the owner and working right through all the rest of the participants.
Okay. And then, to what extent has construction become accepted in Canada then?
Not much at this stage. When I've talked to my good friends in the construction sector just a few years ago and said, so what are you guys doing about lean construction? They said, well, nobody's doing too much. What's actually happened here is opposite to what happened in the U.S. It started in the construction field and then expanded to the whole project. Here, we've started with integrated project delivery, lean integrated project delivery. So there's been a very small handful of those projects happening in Canada now. We're working on one right now in Oakville, Ontario. And what's going to happen, though, is that's now going to spread out and figure out how you can apply those lean principles in other kinds of project delivery. Even traditional design, bid, build, you can apply lean principles in that to improve the process, gain efficiencies, and again, drive greater value.
Wonderful. Brian, that's actually all the time that we have for right now. Thank you so much again for coming in. Thank you to C&D for letting us host these interviews in their booth. And for everybody that's watching at home, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video. We will be releasing a few more as the year goes on. Thanks so much.